CASA 212 is mainly used for paratrooping, as you saw this morning, and for light cargo delivery. The lead aircraft in the light aircraft formation is flown by Captain Masimola, an operational commander on the PC-12. Together with him in the formation of the officers commanding 41 Squadron, Lieutenant Colonel Malabaloa and Lieutenant Colonel Mabidikama, officer commanding 44 Squadron. Ladies and gentlemen, the light transport formation. With a long-range capability for cargo transportation. The C-130 is a versatile aircraft which can be used in various roles, as has been seen in supplying humanitarian relief in Southern Africa of late. The pilots in this aircraft today are Lieutenant Colonel Karo Duvan and Major Nandi Zama, the first two female pilots, the first two female C-130 commanders at 28 Squadron. Together with the C-130 is the basic flying training formation of the Pilatus PC-7 Mark II from the Central Flying School, Langebaan. Operated by 21 Squadron, based at Air Force Base Waterkloof. The Inkwazi formation is led by 21 Squadron Officer Commanding Colonel Tim Mokwena as pilot in command of the BBJ. Ladies and gentlemen, Inkwazi formation. And included in the Hawk formation is Major Mandisa Mfeka, the first African female fighter pilot in the South African Air Force. Ladies and gentlemen, Hawk formation. Used to protect the sovereignty of our great nation, South Africa, through air defense missions. This Gripen formation is led by the officer commanding 2 Squadron, Lieutenant Colonel Josias, call sign Burbul Mashaba. Ladies and gentlemen, look to the south, Gripen formation.